Jr. for What My Teacher Wears is back at you again with another Getting Dressed with Me YouTube video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor and just smash the subscribe button for me. Just smash it for me, just please. And if you like this video, if you like this look that I kind of put together for today, also hit the like button. Hit the like button, leave a comment which one of these two looks that you kind of like the best. If you do not follow me on Instagram or TikTok, please do me a favor. You can follow me on those two social media websites. You know, at What My Teacher Wears. Again, it's at What My Teacher Wears, same name as the YouTube name. But first and foremost, I hope everybody is staying safe throughout this whole COVID-19 pandemic. As I say with all of these videos now, as everything is going on in the world, I do not want to be not understanding to people who might be going through things, or not acknowledging people who might be facing this kind of pandemic with somebody that might be close to them, or whatever the case might be. I just hope that you all are staying safe out there. But enough is enough. Today is Wednesday. Let's take a look at this dope look that I feel like I put together. So we're going to first start off as I always do with the statement piece. It is Wednesday. Sometimes I like to kind of dial it back a little bit on Wednesday. Sometimes I kind of like leaving it still buttoned up as I would on a Monday. But we'll find out which look I kind of go with as we continue to look at this video. But I absolutely love this blazer. This blazer was super dope to me. I got it again. It was a thrift find a few years ago. I really love the pattern play within it. It's just a really great statement piece, and I feel like it really can transition, if I'm being honest, through all 4 seasons. Yes, this is a blazer that I believe can transition through all 4 seasons. And so what I did was I started with some chocolate pinstripe pants. Again, another thrift find. This thrift find actually was an actual suit. The blazer was extremely big, and that was before I knew how to change the single breast into a double breasted. So I just got rid of the blazer, but I did keep the pants. I think I sold the blazer if I'm not mistaken, but I did keep these pants because I really like the pants. And so we're gonna go with this first look on a Wednesday. Again, I do like this t-shirt look, especially as spring and kind of summertime hit here in Louisiana. It gets unbearably hot. When I say unbearably, I mean unbearably hot. And so I still kept the look very elegant and very classic with these brown horse bit loafers. You already know what I'm about to say. Loafers are my favorite dress shoe of all time. I brought out, if you cannot really tell, but it's some burnt orange within this blazer that I brought out with the pocket square. I didn't do a lapel pin. I love these wide lapel pins. It gives it a very classic look. This is drip on all levels if you look at it when it comes to putting this blazer / t-shirt combo together. I really and truly love this look. I could have also switched it up to make it even a more summer look by throwing on a nice chocolate t-shirt with a pair of white pants, white linen pants even. I possibly could have got away with that, but who knows, you might see that look in a later video. But I really and truly love this look. I paired it with a dark brown strap and gold face watch, but I switched the game up. Yes, I switched the game up, which sometimes I often do if I don't like the way something might feel. And I also love this look right here, especially stepping into the classroom on a Wednesday, still letting my students know, look, Mr. Phillips, we here to get business done. No ifs, ands, and buts about it. So I'm not very relaxed. Just a plain white tee, kind of my thought process. The blazer was super busy. It is a lot of patterns, a lot of colors going on. So let's tone it down with the white shirt, and let's keep it very simple with a solid tie, which is also a Goodwill find. And I also kind of, you see how I played the gold tie bar off with the watch. I love how I played that together, as you can see right here, to then go all the way down to the shoes with the same exact loafers and play the gold horse bit on the loafers off the tie bar, as well as the face of the watch. If I'm not mistaken, this watch was super cheap. Again, I believe it was a Walmart or a JCPenney's buy. You don't have to spend a lot to look like you paid a lot. But that is it for today's video. I hope each and every last one of you all liked this look. If you did like this look, do me a favor, do me a small favor. Hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button. Let me know which look that you would have preferred to go with. Was it the first look with the T look? Was it the second look actually tied up? Which look would you have gone with? Would you have gone with a different pair of shoes? Maybe a different pocket square? Maybe even a different watch? Let your boy know in the comment section right now. You know what, man? I see you on Thursday, man. I see you when I see you.